So today we're going to do a curly hair tutorial. So I'm going to be listing some of these items down below because I kind of talk a little fast and I want to get into the steps with you guys. Okay, so right here we are just going to wash our hair. You want to make sure that you got all the nasty gunk out your hair. Okay, so this is one of my favorite conditioner. It is a VO5 Island Coconut. Is literally the best conditioner of all times. I use this conditioner to detangle my hair and make sure like everything's nice and moisture, because you do not want to detangle your hair dry. That's literally not good for the curls. So you want to make sure that all of that is in your hair. So I'm also taking my one conditioner, which is also amazing for curly hair, and I'm going to spread that all through my hair because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and drenched and not dry when I detangle it. Okay, so this is my Micheal Mercier's brush. I am so happy that I actually invested some money into this brush because it's literally the best brush for your curls. They have all different kind of colors depending on like your hair, like depending on how thick your hair is. So usually I would start from the bottom and work my way up, but I don't know what I was doing this day, so I worked up all the way down. But usually I'll start from the bottom and work my way up because it's a whole lot more easier to detangle your hair like that. So I'm just gonna brush all that together. And I'm having a little dance session because lately I've been obsessed with Melly and that's all I've been listening to. Alright, this right here, you guys, is literally the best conditioner of all times. This is my Daily Defense coconut conditioner. You do not want to be stingy with your conditioner and with your curls, so make sure that you get all that in your curls. Okay, so if you got to put in extra conditioner, by all means go ahead, girl. You want to make sure that your curls are nice and quenched, especially during the summertime. It's getting really hot, so you just want to make sure that your curls is nice and moisturized. So you want to get deep into the roots and make sure everything is nice. And again, dance session, girl, you just be bumping to a lot of things. I'm just So now we're just gonna take all that conditioner out, but you don't want to take it all out. You want to leave some of it in. Okay guys, this right here, I believe that this was truly made by the curl gods. It smells amazing. It smells like banana. It's like a curl souffle, so it's a curl unleash. So what I'm doing here is I'm just getting a nice thick portion of it because my hair is kind of thick, so you got to make sure that you put enough in your hair so that everything is nice and quenched. Okay, so you're going to flip your hair around and you're just going to crunch up your hair so that you get your nice curly pattern. So this is what I'm doing here right now. I'm just crunching up all my hair and I'm flipping it around to make sure that every portion has a nice thick portion. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys want to style it with some eco styling gel, you guys could go ahead and do that. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys learned something new and you guys could find new ways to curl your hair. So thank you for watching today's video. Bye.